The template property now holds the result of compiling the template, which means that this is a function. And now it's just waiting to be called with some data. That happens right here. So let's add a breakpoint and refresh the page to see how it works. The template function is called with the model's attributes. We can step into this function call by clicking on this button here. This takes us back to underscore, back to the function we just built up. Data is the information for the menu item. Remember that render is the function that we built up in the previous video. The render function is called and the model's data is passed to it. Let's step into render and see what's going on. We are now inside the function that was constructed from the HTML template. It looks a little complicated, but here's the start of the TD, and here is its closing tag. The content of the TD will be an empty string if the property is missing, or it'll be the property itself. So these lines all form one big string and are stored in P. Then P is returned. We can check P on the console to see what is being returned. Or we can see what this function returns over here. Returning from this function takes us back to template, and from here we go back to app.js. Finally, after its long, arduous journey, the template that's now populated with data is inserted into this element. Wow! All of that to compile and render a template. Before we leave underscore, I need to mention one more thing about variables and the way they're referenced in templates.